We're now going to set up corrections so we can configure the GNSS receiver so that it will transmit an RTK signal over, in this case, a UHF radio signal. First step is to set up communication, where I can identify I'm using the UHF radio module. Here I can specify whether it's an internal or an external radio. In this case, internal is my only choice. I can go into radio settings to configure specifics about how the radio is going to be configured. So here we can set the protocol, the channel spacing, transmission power, and the channel. The options that you see will vary from radio model to radio model, and of course it's important to ensure that the settings you set here in the reference receiver are going to match in the rover receiver later on. I'll pick apply to make those settings so. Now I can pick done. Final step, I'm going to choose a format. And the base station ID is an optional feature. If you're on a job site where you have multiple reference receivers and you want to make sure that you only listen to one, then you assign a base station ID to your station. In this case, I'm just going to set it as 0 and pick done. Final step, start transmitting. There we go. And when I pick on done, Bluetooth will disconnect and we'll be able to connect to a rover.